I'm adding some garlic and onions now. The garlic will give it a nice flavor. So I've pushed the sausages aside and I'm frying them in the middle. You can take it out if you want, but I'll just choosing to do it like this. Smelling good already. I'm tired. I'm going to add the vegetables that I'm using for the fried rice. Looks so colorful, that is it. I already cooked the rice with some oil. That's why I use very little oil for it, even though the vegetables look like they're a lot. I'm using little oil because there's some in the boiled rice already, so it doesn't become soggy or too oily. So now I'm adding 1 chicken bouillon cube, or maybe 2. I should do it 2. Or 1.5. I think 1.5. Yeah, that's fine. I cooked the rice with the stock, so it also has some nice flavor already. The chicken stock, I mean. So we have our boiled rice here. I use some onions, yellow pepper. That's the one that you can see over there. And then the chicken stock is ready. I'll be pouring it into the vegetables very soon. I'm using just 2 or 3 vegetables. The regular onion and the spring onions and the carrots. And this is very simple. Cabbage and green pepper can make it get spoiled early unless you fry for a longer time or use other tactics. But I just want something simple and fast. That's why I'm using just these 2. And it looks great. We've got 3 colors going here. Lovely. So now I'm going to add the rice. I've got the chicken going here. I'm deep frying it so that it will be faster. I don't have to turn from one side to the other. Everything fries at once. Now back to the rice. I'm pouring with one hand holding the phone, so I couldn't show when I was pouring the rice, but that's not a big deal. So I'm going to stir it now. I'm sure you can see the steam. Okay, so this is the final product, the fried rice. And we got some chicken here. That's what is ready. I'm still frying the rest. And then I'm going to make some shito as well.